Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to change the cabin air filter or the AC filter as some of them call it. So first thing, you need to sit on the passenger side of the car so that you can see the glove box as you are seeing it right now. Now that you have seen the glove box, all you need to do is to sit on the passenger side of the car. Now that you are sitting on the passenger side of the car, you need to open the glove box. Now, as you open the glove box, you can see that there are two joints. One is this and the other one is here. I will show it to you again. One is this one and the other is this one. Now that you have seen this, now all that you need to do is hold your hands on either side of the glove box, just the way as I am doing it. Press them together towards each other and you can see that the glove box has been detached and it's coming down. Leave it down and you can see a clip that holds the cabin air filter like I am showing it to you right now. Just pull the clip and it comes off right away, as you can see it now. Now this is where you can see the cabin air filter, and as you have removed the air filter clip, this is what it looks like. Keep the clip aside and now you can see that this is the air filter, which is also called as the cabin air filter or the AC filter. All that you need to do now is remove the cabin air filter by sliding it out. Now that you can see there is a lot of dust in this air filter, the easiest way to just clean it off is to by just tapping it down on the ground so that all the dust falls off. This is how I have done it. Some of them won't approve, but this is the easiest way that you can do it. You can also use a vacuum cleaner to pull off some of the dust which is sticking to the cabin air filter. Now that you have almost cleaned it, and if you have no other go, just fix it back, or you could use a new cabin air filter and fit it back. Now to fit it back, just slide it back into the same compartment where we had removed it from, just the way I have done it, and make sure it is sitting in the right place. Now that you know that you have fit it in the right way, make sure you're keeping the clip in the right position. Now fix the clip back, and this will be a little difficult to do if you are not able to see how the clip is aligned and fit properly. Make sure you do it the right way. Now to fit this glove box back, it's the same way how you have removed the glove box. Just hold it on either sides and fix it back. Now that you have done it, everything fits well. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more information like this. Also, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description below. Stay home, stay safe, wear a mask and have a nice day. This is me, Flipside, signing off.